Videos are the most powerful media around today. The way that you can connect with someone on an emotional level in an instant is what makes it the most powerful media that's around right now. It's why people spend 5 times longer on social media looking at videos than any other kind of content. And it can be difficult to take what you have and translate it in a way that is good in a video. That's what I want to offer you today, the ability to take your message and turn it into a video so that you can give it the amount of care that you have for it. The only thing that's standing in your way is that technical know-how. And with a video, technical know-how is editing. Editing is what will take a video from okay to good, and if you know how to do editing, then it makes it so that you can take a video from good to great. It takes a long time to learn those skills, but you can also learn them very quickly if you have the right person showing you. You can go online and you'll see tons of classes around the country. Most of them are taught in Chicago, New York, Houston, California. But the thing to consider is that you're going to be paying upwards of $1,500 there. You're going to be having to travel. You're going to have to take 5 days off of work if you want to be as efficient as possible in terms of your time. What I'm saying is that if you're in the Baton Rouge area from August 28th to the 30th, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., you'll be able to learn the essential skills from beginner to mastery of what you have to do to make your videos incredible through editing. And this is not going to be huge classes where you're going to be drowned out through lots of noise and questions. You're going to be going out into the streets. We're going to be filming videos. You're going to come in possibly not knowing anything about editing. You're going to be leaving with a video that you can put out about your company with the skills that we're going to learn because we're actually going to be putting them to the test. We're going to show you how you can plan for editing before you even start filming your videos so you can have little creative comments.
Yeah, they get it. Moving on.
We're able to make it so that you can make the type of content that you love watching online, but you can make it for yourself. I'm gonna show you all of the things that most editors take years to learn through trial and error, but you're gonna know them in less than 4 days. So if you have that need, you have that desire, you want people to hear your voice, you want people to hear your message, then please come join us. It's August 28th to the 30th, and we're very excited to see you.
Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Incredible training prices, we know. Moving on. Nothing to see here, nothing to see here. Incredible training prices, we know. Moving on.